Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install AWS Systems Manager Agent for patch management step by step clearly. To install the AWS Systems Manager Agent for patch management, start by accessing your Amazon EC2 instance. Ensure that your instance is running and you have the necessary permissions to connect. Open your terminal or SSH client to connect to the instance. Log into your instance using the appropriate login credentials. For Amazon Linux 2 and Ubuntu instances, use the command specific to your operating system. For Amazon Linux 2, enter the command sudo yum install y Amazon SSM agent. For Ubuntu, use the command sudo apt-get install y Amazon SSM agent if you are using an older version of Amazon Linux. Next, after installation, confirm the agent is running by entering sudo system status Amazon SSM agent. If it's not running, start the agent with sudo system start am. Open the AWS Management Console and navigate to Systems Manager. Under Instances and Nodes, select Managed Instances. You should see your instance list. If not, check your IAM role permissions to ensure they allow for SSM access. You might need to attach the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core policy if it's not already applied. Once everything is correctly set up, perform a patch compliance check. Navigate to Patch Manager in the Systems Manager console and select Patch Baselines. Create or use an existing patch baseline to define which patches should be applied. You can manually initiate a patching operation by selecting your target instances. Review the progress and patch compliance status from the dashboard. Regularly monitor your instances to maintain compliance and security standards. This completes the installation and setup of the AWS Systems Manager Agent for patch management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.